Yes, Jairaj.
Yeah, hi. Good evening. Mr. Rajesh, the question was with regards to the Angelo classes which you had started. Uh, Always during my days, I always heard about Bhide classes and other classes, and all of a sudden, I saw Angelo coming with, and if I remember, I'm not mistaken, it was a yellow color advertisement which I always used to see. So, when you're starting something new and if you put in so much of money on advertisements, do you think it justifies the investment that you do on advertisement? Does it really pay back that easily, or it really takes a long time to get that money back?
Okay, so jitna dikhoge utna bikoge. If you're in the retail business, advertising is mandatory. You can't sustain and survive without that, but you need to come out with channels where you need to have it very economically done. So we were having three colors that were used in our advertisement campaigns. One was yellow, what you correctly said. Second was red. Third was white. We could not afford the newspapers advertisement in those days, so we used to do leaflets. But how we used to do the leaflets were very interesting. Whenever the larger organizations like an Aptech or NIT could give full page Times of India ads, my peon used to stand near their building and distribute leaflets to the inquiries that they got. So that way I could leverage on the full page newspaper ads that they gave. So life is all about strategizing and planning. Once upon a time in Mumbai, I was the highest installer of banners in the city of Mumbai. I used to install more banners than political parties put together. I used to install 10,000 cloth banners in the beautiful city of Mumbai till BMC became very strict. And of course, it was not right to be doing that. We used to also paint walls. Anything standing vertical used to get painted as St. Angelo's Professional Education. So these were some smart tricks and techniques. A man with no money will be a man with lots of ideas. And that's what we applied. You replace money with ideas and you do your business. That's what we did. But retail business cannot sustain and survive without advertisements. Today, you have got a social media where you can do that. There are two methods of doing it. If you're a Hindustan Lever, you'll have 1,000 crore budget. And if you're me, I will have a 20 lakh budget, but more effective than that 1,000 crore advertisement. So it is all the way you ideate your strategy, which is critically important. But at the end of the day, the product value or services need to add value to the lives of the students. So let me tell you something, Jairaj. We trained more than 400,000 students. We were the people who started the first cyber cell for India for Bombay Police when Mr. Ronnie Mendonca was the police commissioner of Mumbai. We trained the Mumbai Police, Crime Branch, Modus Operandi Bureau, Anti-Corruption Bureau, State Reserve Police Force, MADA, BMC, BST, Western Railway, CBI, you name it. And all the political parties of Maharashtra were supported for IT from our institution. So we were robust at that point of time. One message that I would like to give you. We started with this in 1993 during the Mumbai riots. And now we don't operate it much purely because computer education has become a part of school curriculum and college curriculum. So never fall in love with the business that you do. You need to change with times. You cannot be emotionally connected. It gave us the reach. I meet my students across the world, in any airport of the world, in the best properties of the world, in the most unknown locations of the world. I've come and met my students. But what did we do for them? So Jairaj, I will be proud to say that we brought computer education within the reach of a common man. And by doing that, we changed the economical status of thousands of students. What my student used to earn by spending 3,500 rupees as fees with me used to surpass the revenue of a doctor at that point of time. Whereas to become a doctor, you needed a lot of merits, you needed a lot of money to pay the fees, and then a lot of efforts to become a doctor. That much money my student used to earn by just investing 3,500 to 10,000 rupees as fees with my institution. So how can you become a value creator should be your mission. So my purpose in life, Jairaj, has always been, I will appeal to the youngsters to have similar kind of missions in life on how to become a value adding person in the economy and in the society. If you give value to the people, you will never have the dearth of a market. You will always have a customer base which will back up your mission, which will back up your purpose, and which will back up your absolute growth that is required. So it is all the attitude that matters, and we need to have our thoughts in the right place. So value creation is the only business I do. So I do almost 6 to 8 or 10 businesses, but in all the businesses, the single most important word for me is value innovation, value creation, and value delivery.